Bonjour, bienvenue à la Maison Roy. This house was built in 1901 for J. Arthur Roy. J. Arthur Roy knew how important it would be to have his family grow up next to an institution of higher education. This house is built in the Queen Anne style, featuring Eastlake ornamentation. Eastlake features basically mean they took natural features like sunbeams and flowers and vines and they brought them inside, creating a space that is so warm and inviting. Right now, we are standing in our UL Press bookshop. We have the largest press that is devoted to Louisiana subjects and Louisiana authors. This was the Roy family's formal dining room. One of my actual favorite features in the house is this shelf right over here, this cabinet, because that was the family's china cabinet. It was built in. And so you can imagine them hosting fancy dinners in here, and of course they would receive their guests in the parlor, which would later become the family's music room. So this right here is our archive room. We have some tangible artifacts as well as some photographs, but our real gems come in our audio. That comes in the form of videos as well as field recordings of folk music and interviews with locals from as early as the 1930s. Let's head out into the backyard. It's actually perfect that we have this beautiful space for events because monthly we have a workshop series called In Your Own Backyard, in which we bring in local experts and tradition bearers to share what they know about sometimes very niche traditions that we have here in Acadiana. If anyone has any questions or wants to come check out the center, our bookstore is open from 10 to 3, Monday through Thursday, or if you want to get in contact with us, check out our website.